It's a mark of connection.
He couldn't even go anywhere because he didn't want to leave them alone with the helps or anything. So, the mother who loves her kids should be with them, especially when they are very small like this. Okay? He said it again, apart from what he told my madam on the phone, that he did not touch his wife. This is somebody he takes as a sister. This is somebody he takes as a daughter. This is somebody he takes as a queen. He even mentioned it. He has taken her to all the countries of the world that she ever wants to be. He said Regina has 5 houses all given to her by him. So it's not about the money, right? It's not about the houses or the luxury. One thing is certain, a man will never invest such in you if he doesn't value you. He will not invest that where a man's heart lies, so his treasure lies. So I don't know the people that are misleading Gina or anything, but what he said that he's more concerned, he is more concerned about is the safety of his wife and the mother of his children.